Masters, welcome to JH586. I'm Jamie. We got some boxes. Yes. So let me reposition the camera. We'll take a look at the table, see what we got. Might have a new project. It's up for you. Be right back. Okay. Y'all probably know Hasbro just got up to 1,500 subscribers, and he had a giveaway. I got this box from him. This box right here I got probably 2 months ago from Stalker Steve, and well, it's Steve's Woodworking and Homestead, because yes, thanks Steve. We got 35 Remington brass. And we've got 35 Remington brass. This is a unicorn lately, guys. Thanks, Steve. I owe you one, and I'm going to be sending you something. Steve's one of the few I know that does 350 Legend. I got this 250 pack. 350 Legend, 160 grain Fusion. So these are Federal Fusion bullets. 160 grains for the 350 Legend. So I'm looking forward to sharing some of these with Steve. Not because you sent me something, but because I like to see smiles on faces. This is from Hasbro. I knew this was coming. The Frankfurt Arsenal Precision Powder Scale. This is probably going to work real good with our potential project. So yeah, that's a nice looking unit. There's our check weights, power supply, and I even got directions. You know, directions are important for an old redneck guy. Thanks so much, Hasbro. Let's see. Look at here, we got something else. We'll let the maid clean that up. We got, look at here, we got 2 powder pans and a funnel. These look real nice, Hasbro. He has a 3D printer. He printed these. So thanks a bunch, Hasbro. Which leads us into our potential project that we can use the scale. Reloader 762 sent me these. These are 308 match. Let me get one out. BHA match 308 Winchester. He said there was 100 pieces there. I don't doubt them. That's going to be fun. We've got this old rifle. Belongs to a buddy of mine. His complaint about the gun is that it don't go all the way through the deer when he shoots it. Now, he hunts a lot in Alabama, and he pays to go on these hunts. So he wants a blood trail when he shoots a deer, and I understand that. So we're going to work up a load for that. But the first thing we got to do is get this thing cleaned up. The scope is way too far forward, and this is a Weaver scope. We've got this Hornady match. Here's some fired cases. And these are Winchester, so they are this particular load, and that's going to give us some measuring points for loading up our fixing up our brass, for prepping our brass for this load project. I'm also going to get some Starline brass if I can find any. 308, that should be fairly easy. Oh, and I got one more thing to show you that I got. I finally won a Hillbilly Up knife. So actually I think GGW won this and told him to send it to me. So pretty nice blade. It's got the flashlight right here. Wow, that's brighter than I thought. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And there's a magnet on the end of that, and it just stays right in there. And then this piece right here, you can cut a seat belt or a rope if you get in trouble. And then this right here is a window breaker, so if you have to get out of the car. And then this is a fire starter. Anyway, guys, I'm rambling, but I just wanted to show y'all all this stuff. And I wanted to ask you if y'all are interested in seeing some 308 load development, or if you just want to see me fix up the gun, or if you're interested in it at all. So let me know, and down there in the comments. Also, JH586 is closing in on 1,000 subscribers, and I hope that you have subscribed. A lot of guys are doing videos, VRs to the Scotsman, and trying to push us over 1,000. I'm very appreciative to the guys for that, and can't thank you guys enough. But we're going to have some pretty neat prizes. So I need to say thanks to Hillbilly Up, to Hasbro, to Steve's Woodworking and Homestead, Sage's Outdoors, Reloader 762 for the brass. So let me know in the comments if you want to see some 308 load development, and understand I know nothing about 308. Thanks for putting up with me, guys. Check us out Friday nights 8 o'clock on the Georgia Shooting Connection channel. Be watching for some more videos here on JH586. Thanks for watching. We hope the Lord blesses y'all real good, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.